This is Ron Collins from Lacy SEO, and today I'm going to talk about how to get your location pages indexed by Google, so stay tuned. If you're a subscriber to my channel, you may have wondered why I haven't posted a video in a long while. It's been almost 9 months since I posted a video. The reason is because I've just had so much client work. Some of it's because of my YouTube videos. But anyway, let's get into today's topic, which is getting your location pages indexed by Google. And this has been a problem for a while now with Google not always indexing all of your location pages. So, first of all, let's figure out what a location page is. So here's an example of a location page. For those of you who don't know, this is a single landing page on your website that is targeting a location, such as a city or a town, where you don't have a physical presence there. You can do business there, but you don't have a physical location. It can be very effective if it's done right. I'll include links to my other videos on how to create location pages. So the next step, once you have your location page done, is to see if it's been indexed. And you can do that in Google Search Console. Now, if you don't know how to set up Google Search Console, if you don't have it set up, there are many videos and articles about that where you can search and how to do that. It's very easy to set up. So if you've made a location pages, you may have noticed that many of them don't get indexed by Google. So if you go to Google Search Console, I'm going to start this one. And over on the left-hand side, there's a place called URL inspection. This is where you can inspect to see if a location page or any page on your website has been indexed. So it's going to retrieve the data, and this one says the URL is on Google. Okay, great. Many times it may not accept that, so I'm going to do another one here. This one says the URL is not on Google, and the page is not indexed. Now, you can request indexing, but once you do that, requesting it over and over again is not going to make that much difference at all. What I like to do is after I make a location page or any page on my website, I go into Google Search Console, I put in the URL, and I request indexing. I don't have to wait around for Google to find that page and then index it. This helps a little bit, but not always. All right. I have created many location pages, and the ones I created for myself, I've gotten about 60 of them indexed. So that means 40% have not been indexed. And remember, Google can't rank a page unless it has been indexed, which means it's on Google servers. Remember that Google ranks pages, not websites, so they rank individual pages. So if requesting indexing, like here, doesn't do the trick, I've been working on an alternative, and this is not something brand new. That's, other people have done this. But what I've done is make some YouTube videos, just short videos based on the location page. And since YouTube is a Google property, their videos are almost always indexed quickly so viewers can find them. So you want to create a short video about the location page that you made. It doesn't have to be a long one. I made a series of them for mine, and they're under 2 minutes. And now, what I'm trying to do is get the location page indexed through a link in the description. So if I click on this one here, there's a description down here. And it's always good that you use a description, put your information about your company, and then here's a link to the article. Now, sometimes Google will pick up on this and follow the link and index it. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. And I found that there's an added benefit from doing a short video about your location page. That even if it doesn't get indexed, I found that most of these videos were being ranked fairly high by Google. So what you want to do, first of all, when you make these videos and your location page, is that you want to have the your keyword, like mine is like web design in Austin, Texas, or whatever the city is, Kingsville, Texas. So if I go back over here to this location page, my keyword is web design. So you want to put your keyword plus your city. In this case, it's Kingsville, Texas. Whatever city you're doing, you're trying to rank for. This is called the H1 or the heading 1. This is the heading 2. You can put another keyword like hire the best Kingsville web designer. You want to put in the name of the city again. Okay, once you have that done, when you do the video, I did a long tail keyword for it. I put best web design company in the city, Kingsville, Texas in this case. So this longer tail keyword is going to help me rank this video a little bit better than just web design, which is a little bit tougher type of keyword. So make sure you always include the city with your keyword so Google knows what you're trying to rank for and what city. Okay, so let's look at, if I do a search here in incognito mode, I'm searching for web design in Kingsville, Texas. This is the maps, what we call the 3-pack. Then down below we have the organic. So my video ranks number 3 for the term web design Kingsville, Texas. And notice what Google does here, or not Google, what Google does with their video is they put a small thumbnail from your video, and you can make these thumbnails very easily in Canva or other applications. I use an application called Glorify. I'll include some links in the description about this. And that makes it stand out a lot better. And I have the text in here, best web design company in Kingsville, Texas. That's what I'm trying to rank for. And I have it right here. Okay, so Google can read text inside images. So keep that in mind. Now, if I put up here best web design company in Kingsville, Texas, if I would spell correctly, I might get a better result. So here we got an ad here, and then the 3-pack, and guess what? This ranks number 1. Now, I'm not saying this is going to work in all instances. It all depends on what you're trying to rank for, how much competition, how big the city is. But this works really well in smaller cities, maybe that's close to your city that you live in. It's going to be tougher for bigger cities like Chicago or New York, even I live in Texas, even Houston, Dallas, Austin, it's going to be a little bit harder. So keep that in mind. But here's a page, a location page I made that didn't get indexed for some reason. But making a simple video got it to the top here for this term. And not very many people are doing this. You look down here in the results, there's nobody doing video. So this is something that you can take advantage of. So I hope this helps. Feel free to include a comment in the video section or send me an email. I'll leave that in the description on your success using this method for your location videos. So everybody be blessed, and I'll see you next time.